Running a maintenance business is complex and challenging. You need to answer customer calls, dispatch and coordinate technicians, create and send quotations, send invoices, receive payments, do accounting, and execute other administrative tasks. Doing all these manually on a daily basis is hard and takes your energy, effort, and time, which you might have used for growing your business instead. Introducing Mainteny. Mainteny is built from the ground up to fit the end-to-end needs of your maintenance business. With Mainteny, streamlining the entire maintenance workflow is simple and straightforward. Finally, you can say goodbye to Excel spreadsheets, old and ugly ERP systems. Anything and everything in a maintenance business, Mainteny has it and makes it work for you. Administration, dispatching and coordination of technicians, managing spare parts inventory, handling customers, quotations, invoices, contracts, being future-ready with predictive maintenance IoT. The Mainteny Service Manager dashboard provides complete visibility and control of your maintenance business. Managers can easily create a customer quotation, which leads to a work order, and the right technician gets dispatched automatically. Mainteny's mobile app provides all the information about the unit and facility at any given time, assists technicians during the maintenance, and makes the customer happy. After a completed work order, an invoice can be created with just one click, sent out, and paid digitally via Mainteny Property Manager dashboard. All these mean service managers would save up to 3 hours of their daily time. Technicians would spend 30% less time in administrative work, and property managers would live a fully digital life with quality and transparent maintenance work. The best of all, switching to Mainteny just takes a day, thanks to its fast onboarding. Mainteny comes with pre-made integrations into ERP systems, accounting software, and IoT devices. All data will be processed and stored in Germany with utmost security standards. These are just a few of the capabilities that Mainteny can offer to your business. Are you ready to digitize your maintenance business and make your customers and technicians happy? Book a free demo with Mainteny today. Just log on to www.mainteny.com/demo or send an email to hello@mainteny.com.